Foldable technology is evolving very fast. It's been just a year when original Galaxy Fold made its first debut commercially, and now we have also seen the second iteration of foldable technology, which is a rollable display. Samsung, Motorola, and Huawei are the only brands to launch their foldable smartphones at commercial level, but next year these numbers will grow up significantly. So how Apple can stay ahead of this foldable market, since foldable industry has just begun and foldable smartphone has a very high profit margin compared to any traditional smartphone. So Apple has also started working behind the scenes for their foldable future. According to some press reports, Apple is indeed set to launch the first foldable smartphone in 2022. Even this report also mentions some groundbreaking things which are really too early to say, but for your concern, let me tell you, according to this report, Apple will be selling their foldable iPhone at $1,500 price, which obviously not going to be the thing, and since we are talking about 2022, we don't know how much this thing gains success and how much foldable technology gets matured. So of course pricing will vary depending on when Apple really launches its foldable iPhone. The report also mentions that when Apple really launches the iPhone Fold or foldable iPhone, it will discontinue the iPad mini model, which really makes sense since it's going to be hybrid between the iPhone and iPad, and not only this, the foldable iPhone will also be a cross between the iPad OS and iOS. So when you use it in smartphone state, you will be running iOS, but when unfolded, it will become your iPad, which really makes sense because foldable technology doesn't mean you use same applications in different format, but it's all about to merge big things, which in Apple's case, iPhone and iPad. But here comes Apple's seriousness about foldable. According to Economic Daily News, Apple recently sent out prototype foldable iPhones to assembly partner Foxconn with the aim of releasing the final version of the device as soon as September 2022. According to sources, the focus of testing is the foldable display. Apple is evaluating the use of either OLED or micro LED tech as well as their respective assembly methods. Before heading into mass production, Apple has asked Foxconn to evaluate everything over 100,000 opening and closing tests. The design of this foldable iPhone hasn't been disclosed yet, but according to some previous and overall mixed sources, it will pretty much be like the iPad with small forehead up top for Face ID sensors. Don't know if there will also be a Touch ID on power button like the iPad Air, but yeah, it's 2022, we are still 2 freaking years away from the launch, so anything can happen in the design change. So why not you just subscribe to the channel for the full coverage on the iPhone Fold or foldable iPhone and also the iPhone 13, since we already started getting the iPhone 13 news. So yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and as always, see you guys in the next one.